Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this combo VGR air trimmer and a clipper with the model number V677. So, the trimmer got 2.5 hours charging time, 240 minutes operating time, and 2000 milliamp battery. And for the clipper, 2.5 hours charging time, 200 minutes operating time, and 2000 milliamp battery. Okay. So inside you got two charging cables, guide combs, and the manual. So this is it. It's not a clicky lever, fade blade, sound check. For the trimmer, everything the same like the clipper. And the blade, you cannot zero gap this blade. So let's make an RPM test. And just want to test this one. I really like this clipper. Yes. And this one, I hate this clipper and the trimmer.